Hey guys, Mike Chen. Today I am at the Ikea here in Alexandria. This is the largest Ikea here in Singapore. A lot of people come here. They come here just for the food. And I heard since I was here last, they added a bunch of new food items. Let's go check it out. So besides the typical Swedish meatballs, which I've actually missed this, they have a mini croissant set, and then every single day, the breakfast item, the Singapore local breakfast item changes. Some days there's bihon, and today, a lor mee. There's a lo mai kai. I think it's a sticky rice chicken dish. I said that the locals come here for lunch. I'm not exaggerating. The food court just opened and this place is about half full. People who I'm sure are not out shopping furniture on a random Thursday morning. So typically when you go to Ikea, at least the ones I've been to, meatballs a staple. Sometimes there's some salmon, chicken, scrambled eggs in the morning. Look at this. There's siu mai, lor mee, fried chicken wings. There's the lo mai kai. First, just a taste of nostalgia. Meatballs with mashed potatoes, little lingonberry sauce on the side. I feel like I need to stay in my system at least once a year. There's just some addictive quality to these Ikea meatballs. They are delicious, super soft, very beefy. Gravy is delicious. The berries give it a nice bit of sweet acid. Potatoes deliciously creamy. Can't come to Ikea without having this. Also check this out. Siu mai. Ikea here has a bunch of dim sum items on the menu. Also, give you packs of chili sauce. The chili sauce they give you is not bad. It's a little sweet. They have elderflower still water. This is delicious. So sugary drinks in this country, there's a law where you can't add that much sugar. So this thing's just a nice, soft, flowery flavor. A little sweet. I love my drinks like that. This is a must get at Ikea here in Singapore. The fried chicken. People rave about the fried chicken here. Really like these chicken wings. No wonder people rave about these. They've been just kind of sitting on my plate as I was eating the dim sum. The skin is crispy inside, the meat is juicy. There's no breading. They just fry these, but they definitely added some sort of, I don't know what the recipe is for this, but I taste soy sauce, I taste certain spices here. Extra flavor, everything. Very, very nice. Look at this. This is a pear crushed soda. So interesting how in this country, every single soda that I've had, I'm so used to sugar level in the US. Here the sugar level tastes like maybe a quarter of what it's like in the US. I like it so much better. This is what I'm really excited about. The lor mee here in Ikea Singapore. This is such a classic hawker food item. This lor mee actually looks and smells really good. You get a pretty hefty portion of this with a luda and marinated egg, couple meatballs. This is not bad at all. Dare I say, this is really good. I'm not a lor mee expert, and I wish there was a lot of vinegar I could add to this because I'm just not used to eating this dish without a ton of Chinese vinegar. But the gravy is rich, it's thick, tons of flavor, a little subtly sweet, packed with umami. Noodles are chewy. There's tons of garlic in here. I like the crunch from the sprouts. The gravy clings to the noodles very, very well. This is a delicious bowl of lor mee for 280 Singapore dollars, so about $2 US. That's the kind of deal you come to expect from Ikea. Wow. That's a fish ball. That's a delicious fish ball. I just added some chilies in here. Marinated egg is delicious. Combine everything together. Astonishingly good bowl of lor mee from Ikea. Such an amazing price as well. No wonder people come here for lunch. This is such a good deal. Really impressed with this. One last savory item to try, the lo mai kai. As soon as you open up the lotus leaf, you smell that amazing aroma that only this pocket full of sticky rice, chicken, and mushroom can bring. Oh, it smells so good. This is so delicious. The rice is sticky, it's so fragrant. The chicken is wonderfully tender. I love the little crunch from the mushrooms. This dish, you're basically eating pure aroma. I mean, all these ingredients steamed inside this lotus leaf have just been soaking each other's juices, becoming so fragrant. This thing, $1.60 Singapore, so buck the US for this. I mean, this at any dim sum place in the US will easily be about $6, $7, $8. Not here. And it's such a great version of this dish as well. Like after the aroma kind of dies down a little bit, you're just getting pure umami. I would come here and eat this every single day if I could. $1. This would just be lunch. Oh, also, I made sure I came here for breakfast because they only have this in the lor mee for breakfast. The lunch menu just got posted. I went, I got pretty much everything on the lunch menu as well. Let me show you what I got. First of all, a plate of water prawns. Have you seen prawns in Ikea before? Like this? Eyeball staring at you. Smoked salmon, cheese tart, and these are really good looking. Chicken biryani and a straight up steak. Let's start with a hot food item. And I just want to say this steak is cutting like a piece of Ikea furniture. Oh, that's interesting. It is as tough as it looks. Very dry. With that said, the flavor is very good. It's really good. They put a ton of herb and spice in here. It tastes like Old Bay seasoning. And I think with some thyme thrown in here, if you just pretend this piece of steak is just supposed to be like a piece of beef jerky, not half bad. I mean, my jaw will work out, but the flavor is worth it. So they got mushroom soup. I'm kicking myself hard right now. So I saw that Ikea had mushroom soup. I was thinking, I'll try their mushroom soup. I like mushroom soup. But I can't imagine Ikea having good mushroom soup. So I only got like 3/4 of a bowl, like filled it up 3/4 of the way. I want my quarter of a bowl back. This is delicious. Granted, I don't eat mushroom soup a lot. This is so good. It's creamy, real chunks of mushroom in here. Super earthy. Oh, this is delicious. I could eat this all day. Oh my gosh. I so regret not filling this bowl up. I so regret it. That will be one of my biggest Ikea food regrets. Also, they have a chicken biryani. I'll say the chicken biryani is not bad. Chicken is tender, a little dry. Pickled vegetables are really delicious. I wish they dumped more gravy on the biryani. I think that would have just helped everything make it better. The flavor is really nice. You taste the curry, the flavor of the bay leaves. The rice is very fragrant. To me, the biryani is not a great deal because it's $7 Singapore dollars. I know plenty of places where you can get really, really top-notch biryani for under $5. It's not bad. I really wanted this because I've been on a huge smoked salmon kick for a while now, and this looks really good. Plus, Ikea, Sweden, the whole thing just makes you kind of think of smoked fish. That's very nice. I think maybe they get it from Sweden. The herbs, the smokiness, the tenderness. Everything is top notch with this. I'm very, very happy with this dish. I saw these dumplings. I think they said it's World Vegetarian Day, so they're making vegetable dumplings. These are not half bad. They look really good sitting there, that's why I got it. This is fried really nicely. The outer shell is beautiful, airy, and crispy. It definitely needs some hot oil though. Yeah, it kind of just tastes like a chicken cabbage dumpling. That's not bad. If you ask me what filling this is, the last thing I will tell you is that it's a veggie dumpling. I've never seen this before in any Ikea. Things that stare you back. I love it. Suck on the head too. I think these are just little water prawns. They're just cooked in maybe some salt water. Don't need any seasoning. It's so yummy. I love the texture. I love the head. I love the umami essence that's inside the head. I love the subtle sweetness of the meat. I love how well it goes with my pear soda. It's one of my favorite things here. I wish, I know it won't happen, but please bring this to the US. Oh, so good. I mean, just slightly briny, like I said. They don't really put any flavorings in here, so you're just tasting a natural sweetness, natural brininess. But the prawn flavor is profound. Wow, this will go great in soup as well. These are amazing. So much naturally good prawn flavor in here. This stuff, take a bite of this. Eat it with my lormy. That's a good combo too. I love this so much. Dessert time. This is the almond dame cake. Dame is I think it's a chocolatey snack candy brand. Amazing. Amazing. Layer of melty chocolate on top with little pieces, I think, toffee and almond inside. This cake is light, as nutty as chocolate. When you take a bite, you get that intense crunch, and then the whole thing just melts in your mouth. Wow. This is so good. I'm gonna save this for the very end. Let's go have this. A little turtle bun. I think I should have ate this first because it's been sitting there getting cold for a while. Ooh, red bean on the inside. Oh, fluffy red bean bun. Really cute though. Also, I got a rainbow cake. Wow, this is such a light cake. Pork went through this like it's nothing. Yes. Give props to Ikea. Their desserts have been knocking it out of the park. Whoa. You gotta try the rainbow cake. I wish this was in the US. I wish you guys could try how good this is. This is incredibly light. It literally tastes like I found a rainbow, dug my fork into it, and out comes this. Pure magic. This is one of the lightest cakes you will ever have. Promise you. And you will absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, the flavors. I don't even know what other flavors in here, but definitely taste the coconut. I think I taste a little pandan, a little taro. Amazing. 10 out of 10 when it comes to dessert here in Ikea. Well, one more thing to try. A cheese tart. Oh my gosh. This cheese tart is unbelievable. Crust is so crumbly. That melty cheese, it tastes like something that flowed from the heavens. Whoever is making these desserts for Ikea, yeah, they need a raise big time. Give them a raise, give them some of your furniture. Mind-blowingly good. Those are some of the best desserts I've had anywhere. I remember trying out Ikea last time in Singapore. It was okay. I remember not being overly impressed. Mind blown this time. So many good items. The shrimp, the lormy, the steamed lotus leaf pack of chicken and a rice, veggie dumplings, and especially the dessert. No wonder at lunchtime, Ikea is packed full of people. Come here just for lunch. And these are great deals as well. Lormy, like I said, about $2. If you guys make it out to Singapore, I know there's tons of places out there to try. There is a lot of places out there to try. Come to Ikea, at least come for the desserts. Go somewhere else for food. come here for the desserts. You'll thank me later. I might have to go back for some extra cheese tarts, but as always, thank you all so much for watching. Until we eat again, I'll see you later.